In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated table of contents slide in PowerPoint. Now, this is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic, giving your audience a clear and visually appealing overview of what's to come. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have your PowerPoint presentation ready because that's where the magic happens. Take a moment to navigate to the specific slide where you've placed your table. This will serve as the main focal point for your table of contents. Once you've found your slide, click on the table to select it. You'll notice a few things lighting up at the top of your screen, and that's exactly what we want. The next step is to direct your attention to the animation tab, which you'll find at the top ribbon of your PowerPoint interface. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a multitude of animation options ready to be explored. With the animation tab open, look for the drop down menu that allows you to choose different animation styles. This is where you can truly customize how your table of contents appears. Scan through the options and click on the drop down to reveal a variety of animation types. From entrances to exits, this is your toolbox for creating engaging slides. For this specific animation, we're going to choose the zoom effect. This animation style creates a pleasing transition by enlarging your table from a smaller size, effectively drawing your audience's attention to the content. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can add a lot of life to your presentation. Once you've selected zoom, PowerPoint will automatically apply this animation to your table. At this point, feel free to preview how it looks. You can do this by simply hitting the preview button, which is also located in the animation tab. Watching the effect in action helps you gauge whether it fits your presentation style or if any adjustments are needed. Remember, the goal is to make this table of contents not only informative but also visually compelling. The zoom effect is subtle yet impactful, ensuring your viewers are ready to dive into the rest of your presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created an animated table of contents, slide in PowerPoint, ready to capture attention and guide your audience through your presentation with style and ease.